get hurt doing that.
No thanks.
State agencies do continue to work around the clock to clear roads and help stranded travelers. Currently, almost all Indiana counties, as Bob mentioned just a couple of minutes ago, are still under that travel advisory, watch, or warning.
CBS 4 State House reporter Hannah Adamson gives us a closer look at the storm response effort and how the storm has affected Hoosiers all across our state.
Days after both state and federal emergency declarations were issued for Indiana, several state agencies are still at it, tending to the aftermath of one of the biggest snowstorms Indiana has seen in recent memory.
And we anticipate to stay busy over the next few days.
From Saturday night through Monday morning, Indiana State Police says it responded to roughly 500 crashes and 400 slide-offs statewide.
We had 5 of our police cars hit in various places around Indiana.
The Indiana Department of Homeland Security says 48 Indiana National Guard teams are assisting ISP, with most teams in the southern part of the state.
They have the larger vehicles, the Humvees that are out, and they work in close collaboration with state police to determine locations where motorists are stranded.
Even with the snowfall subsiding, most of Indiana still remains under a travel advisory, watch, or warning.
We encourage Hoosiers to continue to limit their travel if possible.
If you don't need to go, stay home.
This weekend storm now tied for the 14th biggest snow system in Indiana's history. In Evansville, the winter storm producing 12.5 inches of snow, the city's second largest snowstorm on record since 1948.
I've seen a few snowstorms in my time, but this is by far, I think, the worst.
All executive branch offices not involved in the state's storm response remained closed on Monday, including every single branch of the BMV. And for the first time in years, the Indiana House canceled its Monday session and postponed all committee meetings.
In my 10 years of being here, I've not been involved in any kind of snowstorm that the House shut down for the day.
Heading into the rest of the week, state officials say their top concern is helping Hoosiers stay warm out on the roads and in the home.
We don't anticipate the demand on the energy on the grid to go beyond its capabilities the next few days. So we're very hopeful that we will not see those power outages that the other states have seen.
The governor's emergency declaration may last for up to 60 days if deemed necessary. Reporting from Fishers, Indiana, I'm Hannah Adamson.